How to fix the application was unable to start correctly. So this usually happens when you do not properly close the application or any games that you have on your operating system. So fixing this is very easy. Go into the Windows icon and access your control panel. And from here, go into Programs and then turn Windows features on or off. And then under Windows features, you just have to enable the Net Framework 3.5 and as well as 4.8 and hit on OK. And let it download for a couple of minutes and let it finish. Now, if this does not resolve the issue, the other troubleshooting step is by going into your file manager and to the local disk in Windows, and then just simply hit S on your keyboard to go into System32, and then just simply hit on X again for you to be able to delete one single file that's going to be called X input 3. Delete this. Same goes with SYS wow 64. Next again till you get into the X input 3, like so. Now restart your PC once everything is done and try to rerun your game. That's how you do troubleshooting steps with the application was unable to start correctly.